तिथे आता एखादा सरांनी सुरुवात करून दिली. तुम्हाला मगा मगा जी बोललो मी त्या पद्धतीत मी त्या रेंजनं काही विचारत
तो विचारते.
Do any, I mean, you can achieve your goal, your goals in your life. And if you are a educated person, as she told, you get respect in your society. But if you are not a educated person, so that's time the people will not give respect to you. And that is also helpful for us if we go, if we went at any place, so that's time they ask our information. And we don't know what is their language. And if we speak in what, I mean, if they are speaking English, so if we speak,
You cannot speak English in
Yes.
front of any people. Just
Yeah.
if you have to take the education of English language and other language, so you can speak any person with any person. If you have to go to any other country, just
many times we think that the study and we take the education from the school, this is the education. But I think also the sports related education is also the education, which we can say the physical education.
just if you have to play the chess, so your mind is sharp. You have to tell the sport is the most important in every person life. Just a sport, just chess and other game are
Other
the most
activity, in short, you have to say that education is not such a thing that only we can take from
From
a book.
study.
Yes, we can take it from sport and also from the other activities. And by taking education, we also can have much more activities in our life. By uh, from that education, we can also do our career in any field, as like in sport, in I mean, in by doing the drawing, we can also make our career. If we have to make our career bright, means if we have to successful
If
in
you have
our
to change your life, so you can take lots of education.
means we can say the many people can't earn the money, but by taking the education we can earn the money very easily. If we are taking the education, it is not easily to take the education. At that time, hard work and the smart work, that two things most important.
Just in a study, the smart work and hard work is the most important. Just in a competitive exam and any exam, the smart work is the most important.
Yes, as well as the smart work and hard work, that time plays also a vital role. If we manage our time, so that's time we can have much more time for doing our other activities and for participate in any another activities, as according to me. And I told, now I want to told the example of farmer, that people always told that farmer, if a person have not education, so that's time he will become a farmer. But for becoming a farmer, that person should also have a education. Because what type of pesticide, what type of
Fertilizer.
manure, fertilizer that crop should have, so that's time that type of knowledge that the farmer have. And that type of knowledge,
But it is the bad thing we are saying that he is a farmer, but he is not an educated person.
yes, that
Because
that
for this
person
we
is-
eat lots of. If we have to farmers sow the seed in the farm, so for this our life
that
is
person
easy.
yes, that person is educated about the farming. And he well known that how to do it. If any person is well in any field, so that's time he or she should do that thing in which he or she has interest.
Means we can say if we are telling the any person, educated person, you should do the farming, but he can't do the farming
Yes.
because he has
He-
no education of that thing. But
Yes, he had
farmer,
not much more knowledge.
yeah, that is the also good. Means we know he or she have not education about that, because the farmer do the most and most hard work. We can say the most hard worker
Yes.
is the farmer.
But due to science and technology, it is now
The
it is
farmer work is
yes,
easy. Just
yes, it is easy for farmer to sowing a seed, as there is seed
and which
drilling machine.
pesticide is used in a farming.
Yes, many other types of
Dami tayo
pesticides,
na.
manure, and also
Salud
the
kayo.
powerful tools as well as the machines are now making.
Means we can make the machines due to the help of the education. So we from that we
Just
can
the
know what
engineer make this machine as want as because
they
he's
have the
Yes.
education knowledge of that thing. Means in the everything the education is present. If we have to take the education, so the main source of we can say the education is the school and the college. Means
And other source are our surrounding, our neighborhoods, as well as our parents.
yeah, and also our teacher.
And also our relatives.
Yes, they are also the source of education. So lastly, I want to suggest you that you should also take education, and you should also be a educated person in your life, and by taking the education you can achieve your aims. So lastly, all again I thankful to sir, respected all the sirs and students to hear us carefully. So thank you, that's all.